Hello everyone, how are you? Today let's learn some opposite words. Hot, cold, strong, weak, slow, fast, dry, wet, rich, poor, low, high, right, wrong, close, open, short, long, small, big, heavy, light, sad, happy, dirty, clean, near, far, asleep, awake, full, empty, cry, laugh, spring, autumn, arrival, departure, same, different, add, subtract, sweet, bitter, child, adult, big, small, connect, separate. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends.